Hello, this is a tutorial for how to use our full screen demo. This is our online full screen demo, and if you check it on this, if you scroll down and the next full screen will show up, and in this our online demo there are actually 5 currently layouts are here. If you scroll down once and then footer will reveal like this. Okay, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create and how to use full screen like our online demo. Okay, let's edit this page. Okay, if we edit in this page and there are Visual Composer section is right here, but we actually not using this Visual Composer and WordPress content default WordPress editor area, and we don't need this. The only thing and only important thing is you should choose the full screen page templates on WordPress template area. You must choose this. If you are creating the new page and the default template is gonna load it right here. This is a page settings are here, and in this section this home full screen will not work because it's a default template. Okay, let's change it back to the full screen template. And then if you scroll it down, and there is a first option is right here. The first option is a full screen slide animation, and we have actually chosen the rotate zoom animation, and those animations are default animations from that we have used full screen JavaScript, and you can choose around so many animations. It's enough, I think. Okay, next one is a slide section. Okay, the first slide is right here. This is a first full screen content, and if you want to insert full screen content, then you should create the content block first. If I go to this section and there is a full screen one is right here, if I edit this, and this home page will open a new window with the content block command, and if I switch it back to the backend editor, and then this is a Visual Composer is working right here. If I edit the row, and then row is actually the full width, and the height is a full screen, and also that I have removed the container padding top and bottom area. And if you check the styling, and there is I have actually inserted the black background color with the black image, and also if you check it on the extra section, and there is I have checked the UK light class because my backgrounds are dark and we need to change the text to the lighter. Okay, that's it. And also the parallax option is right here. I think we don't need the parallax because we have using a full screen template, and now we should check the overlay options, and this overlay option will help you to change this background color through the overlay this background image. If we set it to the 2.0.2, it means 20% opacity, and the black color background color will be displayed 20% over the background image, and that's the overlay, how it works overlay. Okay, let's go back to the heading command, and then we have the H2 tag is right here, and the main title is right here. You can change it to any title, any subtitle. Also the descriptions is right here. The one important thing is if you want to insert the button on this editor area, you should check this section. We have 3 different shortcodes right here. The first one is button, and if we click it over here, and then the default button is displaying like this. We have a 3 different size: small, medium, and large. And also we have a flat button with the button radius without the button radius. If you want to remove the radius, and then just remove this class on this section. And also we have three different button hover. The first one is dark hover and the second one is light hover. If you're inserting this button on the dark background, then you need to use the light hover, and if you are inserting the white background on this button, and then you should use the dark hover. Okay, that's it. And you can change the color and merging, and also the icon class. It's okay. This is a first FullScreen template, and you should create it the content block area. And then let's go back to the second FullScreen template. Okay, let's edit this. This one should looks like this, and three different icon box must be included with the background. Okay, let's check this FullScreen template 2. Now it's three different icon boxes right here. We have also the background color, the image, and also the FullScreen, and that's it. And that's how our FullScreen template is working. And if you want to delete some of this content, and then you should click this. If you want to move this FullScreen content file, then just click the F button, and then this section is just move it in before the 4. If I click it F, and then this is gonna go up, and let's go down and revert it back. And the last thing is if we scroll it down on this section, and the footer is revealing something like this, and we have just inserted also the content block, and that is the default footer is right here. And also you can change any footers you want to use it. Okay, I have created the custom 5 different footers right here. Let's choose this footer content, and if I update this page, and then if I refresh this on the front, and then this bottom footer area must be replaced. Okay, let's go back to the bottom and scroll it once. Oops, I think I refreshed too fast maybe. Okay, it's gonna work something like this. I think there is a little bug, and we should fix that. Okay, that's it. And this is how our FullScreen template works, and I hope you understand well. And if you have any questions, then feel free to contact us.